Hello students, Jai Hind to all. This is Vivek Srivastav sir, and I am here after a long break of almost 2 months, right? So I am here with chapter 3 of class 5 computer. The chapter is more about Word. Okay, in the previous chapters we have about to know what is computer and what is Windows. Okay, so third chapter is more about Word. In this chapter I will describe you the topic inserting pictures. What is the way of inserting pictures in Word, MS Word? Okay, so there are two ways of inserting picture. First is offline picture and second one is online picture. So see from your book, this is a very easy topic, but it is given in your book, so please go step by step how to insert pictures. So image reading is a lengthy book that does not have any picture. Would you feel interested to read it till the end? It means image reading. If you have any kind of book that is only image, like a comic book, you have seen comics, so it is if anybody is interested to read it till the end, if there is no word, so maybe not. Why? Because pictures make reading interesting. Pictures makes reading interesting. If you have only a book like this computer book also, if only words are given there, no images inserted there, so you are interested? I don't think so, because the most valuable example of this kind of examples is mathematics book. There are very less pictures given in this book, so no one is interested to read mathematics. So first we have to know how to insert picture in MS Word, in Word. First one, inserting online pictures. How we insert online pictures in MS Word. Any picture saved on your computer can be inserted in a document. To insert such an offline picture, you have to follow some rules. Okay, some steps. First step, on the insert tab in the illustration group, then click pictures options. After that, this will open the insert picture dialog box. Clear? What to do next? First, we have to click on insert tab and a dialog box will open. Then we have to choose locate and select the pictures to be inserted in the document. जिस पिक्चर या डॉक्यूमेंट को हमें जिस पिक्चर को डॉक्यूमेंट में इंसर्ट करना है, हम उस पिक्चर को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. सिलेक्ट मीन्स माउस से क्लिक करते हैं. थर्ड वन, क्लिक द इंसर्ट बटन. अब सेलेक्ट करने के बाद हमें इंसर्ट बटन को क्लिक करना है. सेलेक्टेड पिक्चर विल बी इंसर्टेड एट द पोजीशन ऑफ the cursor in the document. Where your cursor point will blinking, that picture will inserted at that same place. Okay, now next one, that was the offline mode, because the picture was in your computer, and if the picture is not in your computer, then how you will insert? By online mode. So see this step for online mode. First, on the insert tab, the following illustration group, click online pictures. Okay, we have to click on online pictures. This will open insert picture dialog box. Enter a key in the Bing image search. There will be a search option, Bing. Okay, you will write the keyword, whatever you picture you want. Any famous personality, any picture, what do you want, then you will write the keywords there. Then click the search icon. Click. enter online pictures related to keyword will appear on your dialog box. Click the picture to be inserted. A small checkbox will appear there. More than one picture can also be selected at a time. Clear? So this is the way of inserting pictures in any document. So finally, what you have to do? Finally, you will click the insert button and the selected picture will be inserted in the document. Clear? So students, this is as I told you that this is a very easy way to insert pictures, but whenever you will come to the classes, you will go to the practical room, computer room, then you will do it very easily, but you have to write step by step in your answers. Okay, then that is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.